What if I told you there's one exercise that can literally change your body? You heard me right. Yes, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining or if you're just seeing me for the very first time, I am glad you stopped by. Please click that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell. Yes, every week we bring goodness your way to make you fitter, healthier, and of course happier, living the life of your dreams. And I remain QueenIwo. Today we will be talking about that one exercise that can, in 30 days, change your body. Trust me when I say this. And the good thing is, whatever your fitness level is, you are covered. And what is that one exercise? Drums running. Woo! The burpees. Woo, woo, woo. So I have been on a 30-day challenge of 100 burpees. And I'm just in my second week, but I can tell you that I've never felt so strong and toned. I feel like whoosh, it's challenging, but hey, the good news is whatever fitness level you are, there is something for you with this one exercise. So I will show you the normal one, which is the regular one, and then we would go through the various modifications. And after that, we're going to slam it, just put in like 10 or 20 burpees. Yeah, let's go. So the burpees is fantastic because it works your arms, it works your thighs, it works your core, and it is a wonderful exercise. But if you have diastasis recti, as a mother, this is not advice for you, but I can show you the variation. So what you quickly do with the burpee, the regular burpee, is you come down, thrust back, come back up, and you explode with a jump at top. So that's the regular burpee. Now you have different variations based on your fitness level. Now for beginners, if you have never done a burpee in your life, but you want to go through the 30-day transformation, all you need to do for starters is just to come here, down and up. Simple. Touching down and reaching up, right? So you can start with that. If you have started and you want to like challenge yourself, then there are two ways we could go about this. Come here, step back, touch, and woo, that's all. Down, step back to a high plank, come forward and reach. Now you can proceed to coming, stepping, coming forward, and just a little jump on top. Now if you feel like, oh, that's simple, we could do another one. Stepping back, jumping forward, and reaching or jumping based on your fitness level. Others you can also do is step back, jump back, step forward, and reach or explode. Now for those people who are like, this is really easy, and you want to go advanced, simple. So you come, step back, give it a push-up, come here and explode. So there you have the various or the different variations of the burpees. And today, let's see if we could do up to 20. Oh my goodness, I didn't plan for this. But hey, we could challenge ourselves to do 20. So you don't have to do 20. Just start with me and see how your body goes with this, okay? I will challenge myself to do 20. If you can do just 5 or just 10, but if you really want to get toned arms, toned thighs, you want to get your abs, beginning to look really flat and toned, then this is one exercise you need to do every single day for the next 30 days. I will warn you that when you start, the first 3-4 days, your body will fight and resist. But if you keep at it, trust me, your body gets used to it. And in 30 days, you will come back to thank me. I hope with a gift. Okay, people, ready to do this? 20 burpees, oh my goodness. Anyone counting? Okay, I hope I don't stop. But if I get tired, I'm human. I will take a break and then we'll finish up. Okay, so remember, go at your pace. If this is your beginning version, remember, just come here and all the way. You just come here down and even stretch up, all right? No pressures at all. Remember, you are as fit choose to be. And there is no end to how fit you can be. Let's get started. Ready, guys? 3, 2, why am I nervous today? I don't know. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Woo. Woo. Anyone counting? Keep going. Okay, so we're halfway done. 10 already. Woo. Woo. Keep going. 6. Woo. 7. 18. 19. Last one. 20. Oh my goodness. Whoa. I am literally out of breath. Woo. So well done, guys. So you can actually do this every day. Take your time. So one of the tricks I use to get my 100 burpees in on the day when I feel like I don't want to work out, I space my burpees. So I could use 1 hour or 2 hours in between my chores, in between anything I'm doing. I do like 10, I take a break, I do another 10, I take another break. Sometimes I do 25 in 25 in less than 10 minutes and I'm done. So listen to your body, you know, study your body, know what you can do per time, but keep pushing because every day you're taking a step to be the best version of yourself, fitter, healthier, and happier. And just in case you're not subscribed, this is the perfect time to do so. I will come your way again with another wonderful and exciting video to see and help you become fitter, healthier, and happier. I remain your savvy coach with a heart. God bless you and see you next time. Bye-bye.